Hello guys, so today I am opening Audemars Piguet. Let's open the box. See, this is the black box. Let's open. Oh wow, the Audemars Piguet black chronograph, fully iced out rose two-tone watch. This is the certificate we got with the watch. See how it looks. It's really beautiful. All the diamonds are shining. All are guaranteed VVS Moissanite diamonds. The finishing is very clear. See the lock. Everywhere there's a diamonds. Let me pass the tester. Oh yeah, it passes. The diamonds are real. See, all the diamonds passing the tester. Everywhere. It's really beautiful. All the diamonds are passing the diamond tester. Now let's check how it looks on my wrist. Let's open and wear it. Let me close. It's very smooth lock. Check. Oh wow, it's a really stunning look. It's a worth it, really worth it. The diamonds are very beautiful and the watch looks amazing on my wrist. Really such an amazing piece that I got. I am putting the vendor number. You can contact on that number on the screen. You can see, and you can order this watch.